Hello again in the next part of Silentclicks.com tutorial powered by INNOKREA. Did you know that in the center of our activity as Silentclicks.com is REcommerce concept? The idea of REcommerce comes from the pursuit for the sustainable environment that INNOKREA is dedicated to. For this reason, we devised an incentive to use our online platform with a special care for the ecological perspective from the point of view of the companies and organizations. Sell your company's depreciated items under the theme Reuse Before Recycle, and follow our simple steps to implement REcommerce in your organization. We'll help you get inspired by the success stories of our clients. Additionally, we've prepared an ebook with a complete guide on how to seamlessly integrate REcommerce into your business, ensuring both sustainability and profitability. Simply download it by entering your email address. To illustrate the benefits and scale of operations, imagine this month you sold 20 laptops, 4 monitors, and 7 mobile phones. Not only have your employees fallen in love with their new old electronic devices, but look at the impact. Your company has saved over 6 tons of carbon emissions. That's the equivalent of saving 281 trees. Fantastic job. The emissions we've mentioned can be included in your ESG environmental reporting. Soon, most companies will be legally required to provide such reports. By implementing Silentclicks.com, you'll find it easier to adapt new regulations into practice. Be among the first to benefit from this proactive approach. Doesn't it feel great to help preserve natural resources? By reducing your company's carbon footprint, you're actively minimizing waste while boosting employee satisfaction. Don't wait any longer. Book a free consultation and join Silentclicks.com today.